Take a look at this. People are getting paid on this website to translate English to another language. As you can see, this person is getting paid $5 to translate English to French, English to Spanish, English to Arabic, English to Arabic. You guys might be wondering, how the hell are people making money just translating English? Well, you can easily automate this process by utilizing an AI called Chat GPT. I can simply paste in an English sentence that I want to translate, like, thanks for watching this entire video. If you're ready to level up and make money in 2023, remember to subscribe now for more. And I can simply just type Spanish, Chinese, Hindi, and Arabic, and voila, ChatGPT has simply translated English in 4 different types of languages. As you can see, it translated English into Spanish, into Chinese, into Hindu, into Arabic. Now remember, people are getting paid to translate English to another language, and as you can see, these are 1,000 reviews for every single seller on this platform, as they're getting paid $5, $5, $5, $5. And if you think $5 is not enough to make some type of income, well, I will tell you that people are making at least $30 per project for translating English to another language. As you can see, these are projects with over 1,000 reviews with $100, $40, $30, and $30. Now, if you think this is not even enough to sustain for you, well, I will tell you that people are actually getting paid even more than $100 per project. As you can see, this person is getting paid $100, $120, $100, $150. And as you can see, these are reviews of real proof purchasers that actually paid these people these amount of money to translate English to another language. Now, let's say you want to take this to the next level and you want to translate to other languages. Well, I will tell you that ChatGPT can translate not only from English to Chinese, English to Hindu, or English to Spanish, but as you can see from each of these projects, people are starting at $100 per project just to translate from English to another language. People are literally paying this guy to translate English to German for $120 per project, or from English to French for $150 per project. And as you can see, these are real reviews. 885 reviews, 225 reviews, over 1,000 reviews. People have paid $100 for this project, made a review, and said, thank you so much for your service. You've done a great job, because this guy has 5-star reviews with this specific project. So I can go to ChatGPT, and if I wanted to translate it to other languages, I can simply translate English to German, English to Japanese, English to French, English to Yoruba, and ChatGPT is going to work his magic and do all the work for me. And boom, ChatGPT has translated every single word in the English statement into German, into Japanese, into French, into Yoruba. This is amazing, guys. ChatGPT saves you hours and hours of work so you can grow your money as fast as possible. I want you guys to think about this for a second. Each of these projects are starting at $5 per project with over 1,000 reviews. These projects might be just a simple paragraph. If you wanted to have a reason to charge more for your service, well, you can simply just increase the amount of words that you have to translate, or maybe speed up the amount of time it takes to deliver that project. So each of these projects can increase in price based off those two things. As you can see, they can go and increase the amount of words that they have, or they can deliver your project in less than 24 hours. And luckily with ChatGPT, you can do that easily. So there's really no type of excuse why you shouldn't be able to charge more for this type of service. Now, there are 2 websites that I recommend that you can find people that will pay you for these type of services. Number 1 is Fiverr. Fiverr is basically a place where you can make money selling a wide range of services as a freelancer. Website number 2 is called Upwork. Upwork is a marketplace where companies, agencies, and business owners pay you to complete a job and task for them. As a complete beginner, I personally recommend Fiverr just because Fiverr is very easy to use and it's very easy to set up.